Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into one of the most trusted names in the VPN world, NordVPN. As someone who's tested nearly every VPN out there, Nord consistently stands out. If you're looking for the best VPN for streaming, torrenting, or just keeping your browsing private, this is one you'll want to consider. And yes, I've also included a special NordVPN coupon code in the description that unlocks an exclusive deal. You'll get up to 3 extra months for free and save up to 77% depending on the plan. Just use the first link in the description. With everything happening online these days, from data leaks to tracking, using a VPN is no longer optional. It's essential. So choosing the right one matters. Why NordVPN? First, speed. Thanks to its Nord Links protocol, it's easily one of the fastest VPNs available. You can stream in 4K torrent large files and browse with zero lag. Next, security. NordVPN has a strict no-logs policy, is based in privacy-friendly Panama, and has passed multiple independent audits. You also get high-end features like threat protection, a kill switch, split tunneling, meshnet for secure device-to-device access, and obfuscated servers that work even under heavy censorship. Streaming? No problem. NordVPN reliably unblocks Netflix. You now get access to over 7,400 servers across 118 countries, making it even easier to find the best connection. Plus, you can now secure up to 10 devices simultaneously with one account, whether it's your phone, laptop, tablet, or even your smart TV. You also have specialty servers like dedicated IP, double VPN for extra encryption, and Onion over VPN for Tor users. Now let's talk about the updated pricing deals. If you go with a 2-year plan, you'll get 3 extra months free, with Basic for $3 per month, plus just $4 per month, Complete for $5 per month, and Prime for just $7 per month. This makes NordVPN one of the best values on the market, especially when you consider that many competitors charge $12 to $15 per month for fewer features. If you're serious about protecting your online activity, or you simply want the best VPN for streaming and torrenting, NordVPN is a top-tier choice. Be sure to grab the promo code in the description while this special deal is still available. Thanks for watching, and if you want more VPN breakdowns, exclusive deals, and promo codes, be sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.